Guys, how to fix Intel.ppm.sys BSOD error in Windows 11 and Windows 10, and this is basically a blue screen of death error, and first workaround is uninstall the problematic drive. Go to device manager, and in device manager window you should find out the problematic device having yellow exclamation mark, and right click on it and choose uninstall device. Again click on uninstall device, and again go to restart the system, and again go to device manager, and from the top menu bar you should click on action button and choose a scan for hardware changes. Windows will now automatically install the driver. And the second workaround is run system store. Go to run command and type rstrui command and press OK. It will open the system restore window. In system restore window, click on next button, and here you will find the system restore point. You can also click on scan the affected area, and otherwise you should click on next button. Windows will now confirm your restore point, and you should click on finish button to complete the restoration of your Windows 11 system. And the next workaround is run system file checker. Go to search, type cmd and open command prompt Windows as administrator mode. Here you will type the command sfc scan now to scan your system file, corrupted file system, and press enter. Windows will now check corrupted file system and repair them accordingly. And the next fourth workaround is reset Windows 10 or Windows 11. Go to start, click settings, scroll down and go to the recovery option. Here you will find the option reset PC. Click on it, and keep my files option you should choose and follow on screen instruction to complete the process. And the next workaround is edit your registry. Type regedit and open registry editor app. Here in registry editor window you should open the following path and click on processor, and right click, double click on start and change the value data as 4. Click OK. Do add 32-bit value name start, change data 4. Again go to registry editor windows and change the address. In place of processor, choose Intel ppm option. Go to right side and double click on start, and here also you should change the value data as 4. Finally click on OK button and close the registry. Restart your Windows system. Hopefully your problem will resolve. Thank you.